In today's maths video, we are going to learn about before, after and between numbers. Children, now we are going to learn what comes before using a number line 0 to 9. Children, you all know that 0 comes before 1, 1 comes before 2, 2 comes before 3, 3 comes before 4, 4 comes before 5 and so on. Let us see the first example, children. What comes before 6? See the number line and tell children what comes before 6. Before 6, it's a 5. So write 5. So before 6, what comes? 5. What comes before 3? Before 3, what comes? 2. So write 2. What comes before 9? Before 9, what comes? 8. So write 8. Children, now I'm going to teach you how to write a before number for a 2-digit numbers. First, children, for a 2-digit number, the highest place is the tens place. So write the tens place as it is. You have to write the tens place as it is. Same. And then see the ones place 8. What comes before 8? See the number line and tell what comes before 8. It's 7. So write 7. So what we need to do? For a 2-digit number, we have to write the tens place. Same. Ones place, see the, what is the digit? 2. What comes before 2? See the number line. It's 1. So write 1. 2-digit number means what we need to do, children? You have to write the tens place as it is. Same. And what comes before 7? See the number line and tell what comes before 7. It's 6. So write 6. Now I'm going to teach you some exception, children. We have to change both the digits for the number that are ending with 0. There are so many numbers ending with 0, children. Example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Children, I told you already, we have to change both the digits for the number that are ending with zeros. So, for 0, replace 0 by 9, children. Remember that 0 means you have to write 9. And for the tens place, see the tens place, it's a 6. What comes before 6? It's a 5. So, write 5. 0 will be replaced by 9. Remember that, children. What comes before 3? What comes before 3? See the number line. Before 3, it's 2. So, write 2. 0 will be replaced by 9. Remember that, children. 0 will be replaced by 9. What comes before 9? What comes before 9? See the number line and see. 9. Before 9 means it's 8. So, write 8. No confusion, children. Remember that 2-digit number that are end with 0, both the digits should be changed. For 0, replace the 9. And for the tens place, see the number line and write the before number. Now we are going to learn what comes after using a number line 0 to 9. You children, you all know that after 0, 1. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, it's 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. And go on like this. See the first example, children. After 7, what comes, children? See the number line. After 7, what comes? 8. So, write 8. After 3, what comes? See the number line. After 3, it's 4. So, write 4. After 8, what comes, children? After 8, it's 9. So, write 9. Children, now I'm going to teach you how to write the after number for a 2-digit number. Here we have to follow a small trick, children. The trick is the highest place for a 2-digit number is the tens place. So write the tens place as it is in the after number. So write the tens place digit as it is, 6 as it is in the answer place after number. And see the ones place, it's a 1. So what comes after 1? See the number line and tell after 1 what comes? It's 2. So write 2. Same way, tens place will come as it is. Ones place 8. So what comes before after 8? It's 9. So write 9. Same way, tens place you have to write as it is. In ones place 0. What comes after 0? It's 1. So write 1. Children, in what comes after also we have some exceptions. Children, listen it carefully. We have to change both the digit for the numbers that are ending with 9. Remember that, children, we have to change both the digit that are ending with 9. Here, children, you have to see the tens place. It's a 2 and the ones place is 9. So for a 9, replace the 9 with 0. So what we need to do? Replace the 9 with a 0. And see the tens place, what it is? It's a 2. What comes after 2? After 2, it's a 3. So write 3. For 9, you have to replace by 0. 4. What comes after 4? It's 5. So write 5. For 9, replace with 0. What comes after 7? After 7, it's 8. Children, now we are going to learn what comes between. Children, whether it is what comes after or what comes between, both are similar only, children. The same route what we have followed in what comes after, the same rule should be followed in what comes between. Let us see the first example, children. After 6, what comes between 6 and 8, children? 6. After 6, it's a 7. So write 7. And coming to the next example, it's a 2-digit number, children. 2-digit number means what we need to do? We have to write the highest place digit, ones, tens. The highest place digit as it is. 2 means you have to write as it is. And what comes after 6? After 6, it's a 7. So check 26, 27, 28. So it's correct. Now coming to the next, it's also a 2-digit number. So we have to see the highest place digit. You have to write as it is. Write the highest place digit as it is. And what comes after 1? It's a 2. Now check how to check this. 61, 62, 63. Yes, it's correct. Coming to the next example, some children, it's 59. 59, it's an exception number. I told you already, we have to change both the digit for the number that are ending with 9. So what we need to do, children? For this, write the place value. The ones place will be changed to the 0. You have to change the ones place. 9 means you have to replace 9 by 0. And 5 means you have to write, after 5 what comes, children? It's a 6. So write 6. I will repeat it again, children. When the number ends with digit 9, so we have to change both the digits. So how to change both the digits? First change the ones place. 9 will become a 0 and the tens place 5. So write the after number of 5. What it is? It's 6. Now check this, read and check this number, children. 59, 60, 61.
Children, I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.